Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive.
What's going on, guys? Heading back over to Chris's house. We're gonna continue working on his Civic. Just getting the truck warmed up here to cool it off, because it's like, I don't know, 95 degrees here in Oregon. But yeah, we'll head over to Chris's house and start working on his Civic some more. So we'll see you then. All right, guys. So we've been working for a while. We've had a couple buddies come over, but got the harness all the way out of the car. The firewall blanket's out. The pedal assembly, all that stuff's out. The harness is sitting here. Everything looks good there.
Got most of everything out of the engine bay.
Engine bays.
Booster, master cylinder, master clutch cylinder, brake lines are coming out. Just enough to make this thing roll is the only thing that's going to be in this thing, just to move it around.
Just move it around. At the shop at my uncle's house. Got Chris's car over here. We are cutting the mount off. Chris is trying to kill himself. So we measured from the front of the mount to the frame where it meets right here, and it's 12 1/4 from the front of the mount. So we're gonna cut this mount off, weld the new mount here on, and then we got a bunch of thin metal. We're gonna plug the holes, get this thing looking nice and perfect.
You haven't even seen how like
Oh yeah, update on the bay. It's been about a week or so.
Yeah.
Since we last updated the video, but this is the bay right now. Chris has been going hard on this bay trying to get it done. Getting it? So that mount literally broke off.
Let me see that hammer.
It's right here.
This is not proper way use of tools.
Yeah, not a proper way of tool. That's solid. Oh, that's solid, dude. Oh, look at those glob welds.
Dude, look at all right here. Like, they missed all of it.
How did they?
Like, I did cut here and here.
Who in their right minds was gonna think that was gonna work? If this is your work,
get away from the welder.
don't touch a welder or a grinder or
anything of that
anything
sort.
car related. So now we're air hammering the weld, or that mount. We got the bottom off and we're just gonna clean that up with the flat disc. But we got the air hammer out now. Jesus. Hit it with the hammer some. Maybe you can get a better angle down on the bottom of it.
This piece is still stuck.
That was a big piece.
There we go. Now she's coming.
Mount. So Chris gets the mount welded on. Now he's trying to fill holes and he's trying to burn the car down. What do you have to say for yourself, Chris? Right now we got the mount welded on. It's not the prettiest welds, but it'll do for what it needs to be done. Starting to fill some gas. So we'll keep going, getting stuff welded up.
Alright guys, so got most of the holes semi what I want filled. Lauren's over here making the plates for the holes over there, and then that one over here. Come out. So we got the first plate getting ready to go on right there. Gonna have Lauren have at it. She's got more welding experience than I do.
Alright guys, so Chris is finishing up the last hole right now. We got a lot of stuff done on the Civic. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing all welded up. He's got about one more pass or so to go, and we'll get this thing loaded up on the trailer, get it back home, so he can do more prep work on the bay. So see you when we get to his house.
Alright guys, I realized when we shot the video, when we took the car out to Lauren's uncle's house to work on the engine bay, never ended up actually filming an outro, so I'm doing that now. As you see, got the plates all welded in. That one I've already ground down and started covering and cleaning. Some of these holes that I ended up welding are ground down, and any imperfection, you know, bonded it and sanded that all off. And so just wanted to give you guys kind of a closure on what all we did. Also, update, I traded 2 of my stock seats for an NRG seat. Open that up for you. It's got good harnesses, brand new harnesses, basically brand new seat. Got Buddy Club rails on it, that's brand new, so I got a pretty good deal out of that. So, but anyway, stay tuned. Next video is coming out. More work on this, more race time. Like, subscribe.
Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive.